Hello, it's Sunday, January 21st, 2018, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX.com's Trading Support Center. This is your Week in Review. Today we will discuss some of the major financial events of the past week and how they impacted the currency and commodity markets. The Euro-US dollar fell by 0.13%, closing in at $1.2222. The British pound-US dollar decreased by 0.26%, closing the week at a 1.3858 pound exchange rate. U.S. Congress failed to pass a spending bill at midnight on Friday, which has caused a government shutdown. All U.S. government functions are currently at a standstill as thousands of federal workers will be placed on unpaid leave until a funding agreement is finalized. Negotiations continued on Saturday. However, there is still not a solution to the dispute of the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals DACA immigration policy, meaning over hundreds of thousands of immigrants could face deportation. Turning to commodities now, gold went up by 0.44% as of last week's market close, closing at $1,333.10. Crude oil fell by 0.91%, closing at $63.37 a barrel. Wall Street soared on Friday with a surprising gain in consumer stocks in the midst of the chaos of the possible government shutdown. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq hit record closing highs, while the Dow ended the day higher after trading in a narrow range. Trading volume on U.S. exchanges was 6.82 billion shares relative to the 6.32 billion average over the previous 20 trading days. The Dow Jones ended the week up by 0.21%, closing at a value of 26,071.72. The S&P 500 rose by 0.44%, closing at a value of 2,810.30. And lastly, the Nasdaq increased by 0.55%, ending the week at a value point of 7,336.38. That's our summary of the financial headlines from the past week. We hope that you've enjoyed this week's review and that you'll tune in tomorrow morning as we kick off the new trading week with the latest top market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs. Your personal trading consultant is ready to answer all of your questions. UFX Trading Support Center wishes you a successful trading week.